at a splendid late 19th century chromolithographed promotional item from Arbuckles. It's an atlas of the 50 principal nations of the world. As most paper items that are oblong of this era, it shows some edge chipping and some wear, which we'll show in more detail as we flip through it. But it does have the original string ties here, issued 1889. And it begins with this first page here. They're all beautiful chromolithographed images surrounded by vignette scenes that relate to the country being depicted. These Arbuckle images were also issued separately as trade cards, which is essentially what this booklet is. It's an assortment or accumulation of trade cards printed 4 to a sheet as opposed to individually, with some decorative elements added on the textual side on the back, because all of them do have text on the back. For instance, we see Cuba, Havana cigars, German Empire. Yes, very interesting. There's Peru. Look, that's interesting. Carpets in Turkey. And look at this. Austro-Hungary, glass blowing. Yeah. Look at that. United States of Colombia. Yeah. India, riding on an elephant with a tiger and a monkey. Central Africa, ostriches. Look at this. Japan. Look at that pottery. Yeah. Oh, Afghanistan, inlaid metalwork. That's great. Chinese Empire and a fan. Looks like they're, yes, picking tea leaves here. Yeah, look at that. That's great. Arabia, Arabian horses. Yeah. Oh, Australia. That's nice. Yeah, this is wonderful. This is very pleasing. Southeast Asia, Siam, the floating city of Bangkok, a population of 600,000, land of the sacred white elephant. Throwing the bolas in Argentine Republic, Cape Colony, diamond fields here. And the final leaf we see had a couple splits coming. This is a fold line and this is a split, I think, and they've had archival tape repairs to secure them. And but it is a little fragile, like so. However, the item is complete, and aside from the covers with some chipping and the faults noted, the interior is beautiful and fresh, splendid cover with cherubs around a world globe. This item is now currently available online from me, Brian DeMambro.